Hello everyone, welcome back to sqaworld. Today in this video, we are going to talk about how to read values from a property file in Selenium. Property files are a way to store configuration data such as URL, credentials, URL and credentials which can make tests more flexible and maintainable. So let's begin. Create new package inside src test folder. Right click new and then click on package. Enter the package name property file and then click on finish. Create new file inside this package. Right click new and then click on file. Enter the file name data dot properties and then click on finish. This is login script in which we need to enter the username, password and then click on submit button. First, we need to navigate to this URL. We will enter this URL, username and password in data.properties file. Username is equal to student and password is password123. Student and password is equal to password123 and URL. Enter the URL. Copy this URL and paste in data.properties file. Ctrl S to save this file. Now we need to initialize properties object to store value pair from properties file before the initialize WebDriver. Properties, enter the variable name prop is equal to new properties, import properties. Now we need to initialize the file reader object. File reader and variable name reader is equal to null. Import file reader and variable name is equal to reader is equal to new file reader. Here we enter the complete path of file name. Right click on this data.properties file and then click on properties. Copy this complete path and paste here. Now we need to load this property file into properties object. Prop dot load and input stream is equal to reader. We need to read the file from this path, reader. Now we will retrieve the values from the properties file. String username is equal to pro dot get properties. Enter the username. We will read the data from this data.properties file. Same for password. Change variable name, password, change value here, password. This line for username and second line for password, and third we need for URL. The string URL is equal to pro.get property and URL in double quote. Control S to save this file. Now we do not need to enter the value here. We just need to use this variable name, username, password and URL, because we read the data from data.properties file. Username and second password. Also remove value URL from here because we already entered the URL in data.properties file. Enter URL. Control S to save this file. This is our data properties file and we read the data from this properties file. Username is equal to student and Control S to save this file. Let's run this script. First, it will navigate to this URL, enter the username and password. Chrome driver is opening and go to this URL, enter the username and password. Login successfully. If you need to change the username and password and URL, you just need to open the data.properties file and you can easily change the credentials and URL from data properties file. If you like this content, please subscribe to sqaworld. Thanks for watching.